Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling for tablets. This step matters because not all plans allow calls from a tab. Once confirmed, connect the A7 Lite to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure signal strength is strong. Then check settings, right arrow software update, and carrier services so your phone and network profiles are current. Doing these first actions prevents errors later and primes the tablet to display the Wi-Fi calling option when you move to setup. Next, you'll enable Wi-Fi calling. Go to Settings, right arrow Connections, right arrow Wi-Fi calling, and toggle it on. You may need to sign into your carrier app or enter a verification code. This links your tablet to your phone number so calls route over Wi-Fi. Once enabled, configure call preferences and enter a verified emergency address so 911 routes correctly. Make sure to test an outgoing call. If audio quality is poor, switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz or move closer to the router to improve latency. Finally, confirm the feature works by placing and receiving a call and sending an SMS if supported. This proves registration completed. If connections fail, restart the Tab A7 Lite and your router, then toggle Wi-Fi calling off and back on. Simple resets often clear provisioning issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to restore defaults, because corrupted profiles can block calls. If that still fails, contact your carrier with your device IMEI and account details so they can check provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.